Hello everybody, Ben here, and today is Improving the Goods Yard Part 1, where I show you how in the final episode of this series I improved my goods yard and add the final details to it. And I hope you enjoy how it looks, and I hope you've learned something from this series, and I hope you enjoy. The first thing that I've added, or painted now, is the little coal hut. I've also added a lorry with a pallet of coal on the back, the coal stove itself, a little crane on a platform, and a contract container to go there, another contract over there, another container over there to add more detail, and a truck and its trailer next to the open door of the goods shed, little pallet again there, and some more goods pallets. So that adds quite a lot of the detail. I've also added figures and other things for the people to be actually having scenes for, and I've also added little piece of detail with some wood chopped up and some little cocktail sticks chopped up. So overall it makes the goods yard look very interesting in my opinion, and with the trains running by and how everything looks, it looks pretty good. I especially like the view above the wagons with the trains running past, as they would be doing that on the branch line. Now with all the detail added, including all the paving stones and ballast and figures and trucks and other details, I think it's now finished, and I hope you think it is too. I hope you think it's detailed enough. I think it looks pretty detailed. I'm pretty pleased with this, and I hope you liked this series as well, and I hope that you will like if I do more, because I will be doing more. But anyway, thank you for watching this video by me. Please like and subscribe, and leave a comment down below with some video ideas or feedback, and please suggest other areas of my layout that I could improve. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.